Sandy, the Kentucky Crafter here, and I am super excited. I am combining three of my favorite things in today's video. One is junk journals, the other one is my Cricut Maker, and the third one are flowers. I love flowers. So I'm going to walk you all through how I do some draw and then cut flowers with my Cricut, and then how I decorate them and put them in my junk journal. So come along with me. Thanks for joining me again for another fun project. I was looking around in Cricut Access looking for flowers that I could use to decorate my junk journals that I make. And I found these draw files. So it's a draw and then cut. And I thought these would be perfect for my junk journals. This is the image set that I found. It's called Beautiful Flowers. And there's 20 different images that you can pick and choose from. And you're able to change the colors on them, which is very cool. I am using this marker set, the Ultra Fine Point pen set. So they're the 0.4 millimeter. And I have all these yummy colors. Each of the images come in as an attached set. So it's going to have the flower, and then it's going to have a cut image behind the flower. And some of the images you can see here have multiple different colors. So this one has 3 different colors plus the cut file. And if you want to change the color of one, then all you have to do is click on it, and then you go up here over to this section, and you can see it's a draw, and you can just pick whatever color you want. The other thing I did was I changed the size of these. These came in probably about twice as big as what they are right now, and I wanted these to be around 2 to 3 inches in width and height, so that they would fit inside of my junk journals. Alright, we are ready to draw and then cut out these flowers. I have arranged them on my piece of art paper. For the base material, I'm going to use medium cardstock and keep it at default. And here it's telling me to load up the lavender pen. So it's going to start with the lavender flower. And then as it goes along, it will prompt me and tell me what color markers to put in next. And then when it's done with all the drawing, then it'll use the fine point blade to cut around the flowers. And you can see here it shows all the different colors down here. So here is the paper I'm using. It's just from a art sketch pad I got, and it's about a medium cardstock weight. Alright, let's load this up. Load up the mat. Oh, I need to put the marker in. It says to do the lavender one first, and it has a little arrow guide. Once you hear the click, close that up, and you are ready to go. And I will turn the video on and off and show you all snippets of the progress as the drawing continues. It's now having me change out to the forest green color, and then hit the Cricut button again. And you can see the lilac flower, the start of it. And so wherever this forest green was used on the different flowers, it's going to go around and draw those around. I wanted to show you the progress thus far. We're about 37, approaching 40% complete on the drawing, and it has been prompting me to change the color of the markers as we go. Y'all can see the progress thus far. This is going to be so cool. I'm making these for my junk journal, the different junk journals that I make for decoration inside of them. We're about 70% done. It is about done with all of the drawing, and next it will cut out around these different flowers. The detail is just amazing. Oh, it's so cool. You can see it's cutting out around each of the flowers now. And this is the last one. Here's a close-up of each of the flowers. I'll take them off the mat for you. I've taken them off of the mat. Look at that. I'll play around with the color some more with the markers that I have. But how fun is that? All in Cricut Access, these files. Ready to go for you. Just add them to your canvas. You're ready to go. I wanted to show you how I distress around these flowers. So I'm going to put a couple of them in this junk journal here. So I am using Ranger Distress Oxide Vintage Photo. This is from Tim Holtz. And I have just a little sponge here and daub a little ink and then just go around the edges and try to make this look a little bit older, and then just do a couple little daubs. And then you can see how that distresses it a little bit. And then I think I'm going to add this one as well. So again, I'm just going to go around the edges. That, and then just dab, put a little distress on there. So you can tell without the distress and with the distress. And then I'm going to glue them in to the journal here. And I think I'm just going to put them up here in the corner, something like that. Let me find my glue. Here's my glue. And I want to put this one down first. And put a little bit of glue on the back. And this one next. And I just think that is a fun and easy way to decorate your junk journal. And I love utilizing my Cricut to help me come up with decorations for my junk journals. I love how that looks. Thank you all so much for watching. Please hit the like button, and would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye.